The Christmas Gift. Once upon a time, in a small, snowy village, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Emily. Every year, as Christmas approached, the villagers would bustle about, preparing for the festive season. They decorated their houses with twinkling lights, hung colorful ornaments, and baked delicious treats. This year, Emily wanted to do something special for her family. She noticed that her little brother, Max, had always wanted a toy train, but their parents couldn't afford it. Emily decided she would save her allowance to buy the train, but she soon realized that it would take a lot of time. Determined to make her brother happy, Emily came up with a plan. She started doing extra chores around the house and helped neighbors with their tasks in exchange for a little money. As the days passed, she worked hard, and her savings grew. But just as she was about to buy the train, a heavy snowstorm hit the village. The roads were blocked, and the stores were closed. Emily felt hopeless but didn't want to give up on making Max's Christmas special. One cold evening, while she was outside clearing snow, she noticed a strange sparkle in the snow. Curious, she dug deeper and found a beautiful silver bell. It was magical. The bell allowed her to make one wish for someone she loved. Emily thought long and hard about her wish. She could wish for the toy train, but instead, she wished for Max to have the happiest Christmas ever. With a soft tinkle, the bell granted her wish. On Christmas morning, as the snowflakes gently fell from the sky, Emily and Max rushed downstairs to see what Santa had brought. To their surprise, there, under the tree, was Max's dream toy train, shining brightly, surrounded by warm, heartfelt gifts. The family celebrated together, filled with joy and love. Emily realized that the true spirit of Christmas wasn't about the gifts but about giving and sharing love. With her heart full of happiness, she knew that the magic of Christmas would stay with her forever. And so, in that little village, Emily learned the most precious lesson of all: the greatest gift you can give is love.